Okay. Yeah. Do you see the screen?
Um,
You should be able to see the screen now.
yes, sir. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so let's start doing the problems from this exercise. This is from exercise 3.2, I believe. Okay, we have understood about parallelograms. We have seen some properties about the parallelogram. So in today's class, we are going to see related problems based on those properties. Okay, so let's take this example. We have been given yeah, in figure 3.26, best is a parallelogram. Find the values x, y, z. So let me draw the parallelogram. So this is the parallelogram we have. Okay, I'm doing the freehand drawing. This angle is given as 100 degree. This angle is x and this is z. This is y. This is B E S T is the parallelogram. Okay, so can you think of how to find the angles x, y, z?
Mm, I know how to find x.
Okay, so
Since the opposite angles are equal, it's 100 degree.
x equal to 100 degree. See, you have to give the reason that's more important. So it is based
Opposite
on
angles
opposite
are
angles.
parallel. Yeah.
Opposite angles are equal, not parallel.
Yes.
Opposite angles are here equal. Okay, fine. How about other angles z and y?
Yeah, they form Z and okay, Z and Y are linear pair, so they form 180 degree.
Okay, that's fine.
Um,
But how to find any one of them? Only then you will
yes.
know how to find both of them.
X plus Z is also equals 180 degree because it's also linear pair. So,
Oh, no,
since they
no, no,
have
no. How come? How do you say x plus z equal to linear pair? That's not correct. X plus z is not a linear pair. They are not linear pair. Think and tell
okay,
me.
okay, um,
Okay, so think of this parallel lines and transversal. Think of like this. I have two parallel lines. Which are the two parallel lines? If you take TS and BE as the parallel lines, SE is a transversal. You are able to see this. This is S and this is E. So therefore, this angle, the sum of these two angles is 180 degree. Correct? This is how you
yes,
have to give the justification. You cannot simply say it is a linear path. That's not the correct justification. This is the proper justification. You have
okay,
to give the reason. So for that, what you have to say is BE. You have to say BE parallel to TS and SE is transversal. SE is transversal, and then you have to say therefore x plus z, angle x plus angle z is equal to 180 degree, and the reason is they form, I'm sorry, sum of interior angles. Sum of interior angles is 180 degree. Okay, so we already know x, that is 100. I can put the 100 here. Z, angle z equal to 180 degree. So therefore x equal to, sorry, z equal to angle z equal to 180 minus 100, which is 80 degree. Okay, so how to find
okay,
y now? Now you can apply the linear pair to find y. Z, y and z forms a linear pair. So therefore you can say angle y. Angle y plus angle z is 180 degree. Okay, okay. So therefore we already found z, which is equal to 180 80 degree. Y plus 80 is equal to 180. So y is equal to 100. Okay,
okay.
let's see. Okay, y and z is a linear pair measure of angle corresponding to x, and x equal to 100 degrees. Z, they have actually given z y equal to 100 degree. That okay, they have done it in a different way. So what they have done here is they have used the same property, that is parallel lines and transversal. Then they have said this is angle x, right? This angle equal to x and this angle equal to y. So they are saying x equal to y because these are all uh, adjacent angles, corresponding angles. I'm
Oh,
sorry.
yeah, yes, yes,
They are all
yes, yes.
corresponding angles. Angle x equal to angle y because corresponding angles. So that way also you can prove, okay, or you can find it.
Okay,
So once you find y, obviously then you can apply the linear pair. Or else, if you know that some of the interior angles are 180, that also you can apply. Okay. Now, yeah, that's about it. Okay, think of like this. Okay. Let's say this angle and this angle, these two angles are equal,
yes,
correct?
yes,
This forms an Z. And similarly, this angle is equivalent to this angle,
yes,
right? So
yes,
also, the finally I have this another angle, that is this angle. Or you can say,
um,
no, no, you don't have to use this. This side equal to this side. Do you see that?
yes,
Because
yes,
these two are parallel lines and AB equal to CD. That we already know. So therefore, can you see angle? This is angle, side angle, right? Angle,
yes,
side angle, and here also angle, side angle. So we are able to see angle, side angle property here. Angle,
yes.
side angle, congruent property. So based on this, we can easily say that these two triangles are congruent. That is this angle, the one of the angle of this triangle is equivalent to this angle. And similarly, another angle of the first triangle is equivalent to another angle of this triangle. And then the included angle is, I'm sorry, included side is equivalent to the included side of the another triangle. So they are congruent. ASA, by ASA, these two triangles are congruent.
Okay,
Okay. So if these two are congruent, then obviously we can say this side is equal to this side. This side equal to this side of this triangle equal to this side. Okay. And also this side of this triangle equal to this side. That is why we get this result OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD. You're able to follow this?
yes,
Okay. So can you try to explain this? Whatever I have explained, this basically
yes,
you are trying to prove this property. You are not using this property. You have to finally come to the this is something like a result of what you try to prove. Okay? Yeah, please go ahead.
okay. So, same diagram?
Yeah, you can use
Should I?
or wait, I will put one more diagram. I'll put another diagram for you. Okay, here I will put this diagram. Not this color. Okay, take this as the parallelogram A, B, C, and D. Then I'll put the diagonals also. Here the diagonals. This is one diagonal, and this is another diagonal. Okay, and this is marked as O. Okay, now you go ahead. I want you to write down as well. Okay, if you can write down, it will be good. Okay, you can start. You can think for a while. If you want, you can go through this. I'll just allow the control to you. You can go through this, and I want you to write down how you prove this. Okay, go ahead.
So,
Okay, consider the triangle.
Okay.
Okay, what happened?
Yeah. Oh, okay, okay. 90 degree, 3 degree, and okay, why? So 90 plus 3 equals 93. 180 minus 93 equals 80, 87.
Okay.
So y equals 87. Y equals z because uh, corresponding interior angles.
No, 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 it's
Because
not
no, no,
correspond.
no, yeah,
We don't have corresponding. It is interior
yeah.
opposite angles. Interior
Okay,
opposite angles are also equal. Okay.
okay,
So y equal to z. Basically, y equal to z. You're only finding x. X is easy. X is equal to 90 degree, and y you can find based on the triangle property. Once you find the y, it is equivalent to s. There you have to mention interior opposite angles. Interior opposite angles because
okay.
these two lines are parallel and this line is a transversal. Now go for the fourth one.
Okay, fourth one is easy. Y equals 80 degree. X so
Okay.
and z equals 80 degree
Okay, yz is
because
180
z is no z is equals 80 degree.
based on.
Corresponding angles.
Okay, correct. So therefore x
Um,
equal to.
okay. X equals because adjacent adjacent angles form 180 degrees, so x equals 100.
Okay, perfect. Fifth one,
Okay. Fifth one. Okay. 100 and what does it say, sir?
it is
Does it
x,
say x?
x. Yeah,
Okay. X is that okay? Y equals 112.
okay. Opposite
Um,
angles.
yes.
Okay.
Um, what to do? Okay. Okay. Adjacent angles from 180 degree.
Okay.
40 plus 112 plus z equals
40,
180 degree.
40 plus z plus 112 equal to 180 degree. Okay, perfect.
Yes.
Which means
Um.
the whole angle, this complete angle.
Yes.
Okay, you are
Yes.
saying about this complete angle.
Yes.
This complete angle is this complete angle plus this equal to 180 degree. So therefore
Yes. Yes.
this complete angle equal to 180
150. No.
180
Yeah. Yeah.
minus
Yes.
1112. If you do
One.
this
Yeah.
180 minus 112, how much you will get? 68. You will get 68. So therefore we know this whole angle equal to 68 degree, out of which 40 degree is already taken. So therefore this z will be, you have to,
80.
yeah, you have to take the 40 degree. So
No,
if you
not
take
80.
40, 28.
28.
Yeah, you will get 28.
Yeah.
So you can do like this
20
also.
degrees. That equals
Or what
28
you said
degrees.
is also correct, nothing wrong. So once you found z, what is x? X will
Yeah.
be the same.
Opposite. Yeah. Opposite interior angles are
Yeah,
equal.
interior
So
opposite angles of a parallelogram. So they are also equal. Okay, so that's fine.